we're very excited this year to offer 3 different workshops. Guests will have the opportunity to make a planter that can go on their porch, a wreath for their door, or a floral arrangement for their table for their Christmas dinners. This year the theme is very much the environment, as well as some of our new attractions. What makes our workshops so unique is that guests get to experience hands-on workshops where they get to create their own unique design. It's something they get to take home and show to their family and friends, as well as we teach them different techniques they could use. We have a big greenhouse production team that grows many of the crops you'll see for our workshops, as well as we usually source out local suppliers, but we like to keep everything natural and reusable best we can. At Niagara Parks, it's very important that we try to use sustainable materials, as part of it is our environmental and our cultural stewardship here in the parks is to preserve our land and protect it. So we're always trying to use things that guests can reuse. What makes our Niagara Parks workshops so special is the atmosphere alone that the guests get to come to. Our poinsettia show is phenomenal. Not only do you get to see all the different colored poinsettias, but we also put on a spectacular light show, which coincides with Winter Festival of Lights. So guests can really come down and have a full experience. The holiday season is very special here in Niagara Parks, particularly at the Floral show. It's between the lights and the poinsettia show. So I'm really hoping guests come out and just have that overall experience and get to make something beautiful that they bring home.